Somaref M20. Now, this is cool. Ever wonder how tobacco is processed? It is hard to imagine manual laborers harvesting acres upon acres of tobacco. Thankfully, they do not with the help of the Somaref M20. The company that designed this machine is called Somaref and is located in France. What is interesting about this piece of machinery is that it was created specifically for tobacco processing. This self-moving sweeper moves along the tobacco bed and harvests the tobacco as it goes. Along with harvesting, the M20 also cuts stems to ensure the edges are rootless. It also sorts the leaves into several frames until all the frames are filled. The beauty of this machine is that it can handle the entire harvesting process, including air curing used for burley tobacco. Leisure 2020 Unity. Okay, to get into our next crazy invention, we need to saddle up for this exciting ride, literally. The Leisure 2020 Unity motorhome is truly one of luxury, so let us tell you a story. A Canadian company called Leisure Travel Vans is well known for designing motorhomes of every shape and size you may desire. One of their most popular models is the Unity model that has been around for over 10 years. And for their anniversary, the world-renowned Mercedes-Benz has created a 2020 model design of their own. We're talking about 3.2 meters tall, 7.6 meters long with a 2.4 width. We are also talking about a full queen-size bed, a full worktop in the kitchen area, not to mention a convection microwave oven and a refrigerator that opens on both sides. Did I mention a sizable 40-inch television that immerses out of nowhere? Soundbars, tons of storage, and so much luxury you will feel like you were in a hotel room. All of these features are customizable to the buyer's taste. Choose your additions, color, and design, and feel yourself in this motorhome. Enjoy the full-sized shower in this motorhome, or the Wi-Fi or the built-in antenna for radio and television connection. There is just so much in this beautifully designed motorhome. Make your selection from a 200 or 400 watt solar panel, your choice of cabinets and doors. This is a full home in the size of a bus. At this point, the only question on my mind is, what color storage cabinet should I get? Anyway, let's move on to the next beauty on this list. Higher education. Let's head from the school bus directly to the cool bus, because this bus is far too cool for school. The higher education bus was made from an old school bus and set on monster truck wheels. Take a careful look and what you will see is this 1957 Chevrolet school bus on huge 66-inch wheels. It is like nothing you have ever seen before, and something you would most likely want to ride in. The first time this bus appeared on the scene was in 2011 as part of a monster spectacular car show in Montreal. Similar models have, however, been seen in Arizona and Tucson. Have you ever seen one of these monster school buses before? If so, let us know in the comments below. VacuWorx SL2. Now, the piece of machinery you are about to see is one that will literally take the load off. See for yourself. The VacuWorx SL2 is used to quickly and safely move concrete marbles in massive slabs. This machine saves time and helps avoid unforeseen errors, but it also causes work to be more efficient and more manageable. The VacuWorx is an American company, and the SL2 is just one of the ways that seek to make work lighter. The SL2 lifts its objects with a vacuum lifting system that can handle large objects up to 2 tons, despite its petite size. Install the SL2 on a standard loader and just like that, your manual laborers spend less time unloading and moving materials. Designers, landscapers, contractors all love this machine. That is a remarkable creation. Corghi HD 1800 Hydrus. Okay, this is cool. A changing machine for massive tires. These tires' diameters are several meters deep and weight for more tons than your average tire. Trucks, trailers, and other special purpose equipment all need servicing, so the Corghi HD 1800 Hydrus takes care of that. This tire changer was developed by the Corghi company out of Italy and was specially made to deal with hefty tires up to 6,600 pounds. This machine weighs a stunning 2.2 tons and can work with a diameter up to 3 meters deep, with a maximum width of approximately 2 meters. V2 dog tag. Now, this is another piece of equipment that definitely took some thought and creativity. The Bomber & Company brand created this unique sharp knife that is easily disguised and looks super cool. This tool is in no way bulky or overweight. In fact, you may barely remember you are wearing it. The V2 dog tag is worn, as the name suggests, as a dog tag around the neck. But this one is stylish and may be identified as another accessory. What others will not know is that this elegant accessory is a self-defense weapon that can be used for several purposes. Just open from the security lock, which holds the knife securely in place. While the blade is only 2.5 centimeters, it is made from the best quality stainless steel. It can complete unexpected tasks such as cutting ropes and sharpening sticks. You can get this knife for only $40 US. Philips 9000 NL. What is this? A perfect shave. This is something everyone could get used to. Keep yourself looking good every day with the Philips 9000 NL beard trimmer. This trimmer uses laser lights as a guide, which means fewer mistakes and a great shave thanks to the symmetrical lines created by the laser. This shaver is waterproof and wireless. It also comes with a wheel that can adjust the settings and the length from 0.4 millimeters to 7 millimeters. Philips 9000 NL is also two-sided, one side equipped for trimming and the smaller side for more delicate areas, like the upper lip or under nose. For $100 US, this trimmer should be a convenient solution to your problem. MVTEC Cider Harvester. Meet MVTEC, the best cider harvester you will ever see. This harvester has a V-shaped swather that is electrically controlled with a width of 2,700 millimeters. The MVTEC successfully separates the apples on the ground from other objects and materials with the magic blower. Install this machine on any tractor with an 80 to 130 horsepower. It can collect up to 70 tons in a single day, and in some cases 120 tons if the conditions are right. The driving speed of this machine is between 0.6 and 2 kilometers in an hour. This machine makes far more sense than picking up these apples manually, don't you think? Furthermore, it is robust, simple to use and operate, not to mention economical too. Thanks for watching this video. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Who knows, maybe you will fall in love with a piece of equipment you didn't know you were looking for. See you in the next one.